String in Python are delimited by either double quotes or single quote. So we can print the string surrounded by double quote or single quote. Let's say hello world. We can also write with the help of single quote. We can convert integer value or float value into the string using extra constructor. Give it integer value and it will convert it into the string value. Okay. Likewise, it will convert the float value into the string. We can also use the multi-line string using the three codes. Let's say we have a variable pengram and three opening quotes, double quotes. Hello, the word of Python, and close the double quotes. If we type and hit enter in this Python REPL for this variable, it will give me the string value. Here we can clearly see that new line escape character is introduced wherever the new line is given by the time of writing this string. We can also verify it using print statement and pass this variable into the print command and it will give the result. Hello, the word of Python. We can also do the same thing using three single quotes and the result will be same. Let's say we have a variable and we give the value p coding. We can convert it into the uppercase x dot upper, and this gives me the uppercase value of happy coding. Remember that string in Python are immutable, meaning we cannot modify string once we define it. So every time we do the uppercase function or lowercase function, it gives or returns the new object, not the old one. We can check the value of x is intact, that is happy coding. There is no change in the letters or alphabets of uppercase. We can also create a new object using the x dot lower method. It will give me the lower class of character. Say we have a string that has a white space or blank space. Happy coding again. And we do want to strip this blank spaces. So we can use the x dot strip method. And see, it removes the opening and closing blank spaces. We can also use the replace x dot replace what I do, I will replace C with K. Happy coding. Okay. We can also slice the string using the range. So redefine the value of x. Happy coding. Okay. Now x has this value. So we want to slice. Okay. Print x, slice the value, give the start index, that is 2. Whatever you want to give, you can give, but at least a valid index. Okay. And 7. Start from here. 0, 1, 2. From 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The last index is not included in this slice of a string. Okay. If we do not provide the start index, so it slices the string from the beginning, from the start. Let's check it. It starts from h 10 to the excluding the last index, which means till the 7th index. Likewise, if we do not provide the last index, it will slice the string to the last index. Happy coding. So do the practice. This is very, very fruitful, very good, and very easy. Thank you.